Hi, I'm Edward, and this is a series of short videos about user interface design process. For this video, I found a good chunk for some redesign work. Subscription plans are important for users to understand what exact plan fits their goals. First, let's do the quick audit to understand what we should focus on. As you can see, these two cards are similar but have different meanings. The titles of the cards are also similar, and buttons at the bottom doesn't look as buttons, and we can't see price of the plans. By the way, have you noticed that there is a background image in this section, which is covered by these cards? What's the purpose of this? Why would they hide this beautiful art? Okay, let's help users to use it more enjoyable. As you might see, I tried different layouts, but at some point I realized that this information is not enough to make it more clear for the users about price and plans. That's why I decided moving a bit further and showing all the price and plans to compare them in one section. As a result, we have a clean and simple layout. We placed all plans in one place to simplify comparing process, highlighted most popular plan to get users' attention. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this redesign. Thanks for watching. Bye.